Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's hard to see me right now, but we're back after the same turkey that has thrown me for a loop for the past 2 weeks. I've hunted this bird consistently. By consistently, I mean almost every single day. It's been with the occasional weekend to a different place, but during the weekdays, I've been out here consistently. And he has done everything opposite of what I've done, which makes sense for what these birds do. I'm kind of used to it at this point, but I think I've got them figured out. I hate hunting like this, but what I'm going to have to do is I'm just going to have to sit right here on this road and wait. Just let them walk by. No decoys, no calling, nothing. I hate to do it that way because I don't feel like that's the right way to turkey hunt. But sometimes you just got to do things differently. Switch up on them a little bit. I've had this bird in 60 yards, and he just flanks off to the left, makes a big loop around me, settles up with some hens, and just doesn't come in. I've got videos, and I don't know if y'all keep track with the channel. I posted a YouTube reel a couple days ago, and that was him and another bird out in front of me. Just never even came. But they've been throwing me for a loop. But from today is Tuesday. It's really cold morning. It's 47 degrees right now. But we're gonna go sit on this road. It's a road that he's been flying down. I know where he's roosting and everything. He's just not cooperating. But I'm gonna sit on the side of this road and let him filter on by. He's been going up and down this road almost every day. And you'd think that I would have thought of this beforehand, but I have this thing where I like to overcomplicate everything, so we're keeping it simple. Got a gun, I got a tripod, I got a camera. By camera, I mean this phone right here I'm talking to. I'm not even bringing my big camera, I'm just keeping it small, no decoys, nothing. We're just gonna sit. We're gonna sit till about 8 o'clock. I've been keeping tabs on him. He's been coming in to the field anywhere from 7:15 to 7:45. So we'll set up on the road that leads to the field, and we're gonna see if we can bust him. I will. We're gonna get set up. I'm almost to the spot now. I'm here a little late, not terribly late. They still haven't talked yet, but it's about 6:30 now. So we're gonna get set up and situated, see if we can make something happen. Alright, we're set up here. Yeah, I also haven't been gobbling, so it's kind of just like a sit and wait. Because they just haven't been talking out here. I got my lucky bracelet on. I don't remember who gifted me this, but a kid that stopped by our booth in Tifton gifted me this bracelet, and I wore it in Florida when we killed. I haven't worn it since. So we're gonna see today if it's a lucky bracelet or not. We'll see if we can make something happen. I got the raw C20 gauge with a red dot on top. I can't remember. I think that was a Redfield Micro red dot with Apex ammunition, number 9 and 10 stack low TSS. I've also got a Jebs 560 choke in it. I'm wearing element camouflage. I've got a Nightingale running gun turkey vest. And I'll sit back and see what'll happen. I hate hunting like this. I hate still hunting turkeys. I'd much rather find one off the roost goblin and get up to him. Or go. I'd rather find one off the roost, get up to him, and get him going. But it's starting to get that time, so y'all sit tight. Catch up with y'all if some action happens. crow's helping me a lot. I don't think you're gonna be able to hear it. He's pretty far off, but he's down this road. Here he comes. Let's. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. We freaking did it. Let's go. Yes. Let's freaking go, guys. Come on now. Oh, he's a hammer. Let me fix y'all up real quick. Let's go, guys. Come on now. Come on now. Look at the hooks. Look at the hooks. I knew it was going to happen. And I knew it was going to happen right here. That's what I told y'all this morning. What a relief, dude. What a relief. All right, everyone. I've gained my composure back. Lost a little bit. It's been a while. Florida was the last turkey we killed, and we have been struggling to hear birds gobble, even to find them. We've got them like we have a private lease. We've got them on camera, and just don't know where they're going. So this was a big, it's a big like deal. That was a hen right there. It's so hard to find my finger. She's gone now, but this is a big deal. And especially this is the earliest I've ever had a bird on the ground. Before this was 702 of a bird I killed 2 years ago. So 6:45, I'm pretty sure, is when this bird was dead. But yeah, that's him. We're gonna take him. We'll take him back to the house. Much needed. Much needed. We're back, guys. Back to the truck. Man, I don't even know what to say. I'm just grateful. Always grateful. When you get an opportunity to chase a bird like this, it's frustrating. But in the end, it all works out. Even if it doesn't, it works out for him. This time, though, it worked out for me. Let's go grab some breakfast. One last thing. Let's grab this old Sharpie right here. And let's put mark number 10 on this barrel. See if I can do it one hand. I'll do a little really bad turkey track. Oh, that one's really rough. There it is though. Mark number 10. That gun's seen some things. Alright, got them all home. Reaper dog. likes the way a turkey smells and every reaper. Oh, it's a sweet girl. But got him home. We're gonna get him cleaned up. I can't show that on YouTube, sadly. But get him cleaned up, and we're gonna cook him tonight. And y'all see all that too. We're gonna try to recreate the Chick-fil-A nuggets. We'll see how it goes. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we made it to Walmart. We're getting our ingredients for our Chick-fil-A turkey nuggets. Maybe we're gonna get like grape juice. It's all grapes. We gotta get pickle juice and like flour, sugar. All that stuff we already have in the house, but I'm gonna grab stuff we don't have. Offer up, getting some eggs. A little six-pack of eggs. What are you looking for now? The what? Pickle juice? Oh, you might just have to buy pickles. I don't know if they just sell just pickle juice though. You might get like a small, like great value thing of pickles. Probably about canned vegetables maybe. Let's see if we got some pickles. Oh, here we go. Pickles and olives. You don't want them gherkins, bro? You don't want a dill gherkin?
Yes, we'll get the
Sweet gherkin. Yeah, get a little toasted dill slices. Yeah. Yeah, but recruited back up for this whole cooking mission. Paprika. Yeah. Paprika. Big thing. You don't need a big thing. They're expensive. It's $20. Should be a little one. Big rib. Big rib. Might have to rock with the. Yeah, we could just. I guess, I don't know. Yeah. Need flour right here. Get some all-purpose flour. And a great value, like all-purpose that works. King Arthur. Hold on, bro. Yeah. Oh. What else we need? You got sugar, yeah? Not so much. Alright. Alright, we are finished up here, and we will catch y'all in the kitchen. Hi, we're back. Time to cook. This is the March and Timber cooking channel. We got some turkey. Probably needs to be cleaned again, to be honest. These other stuff is big nose off, yeah. I'll be good at the rest. Yeah, take no mind. We're gonna rinse that. What is it? Flour? No. We'll just drain the pickle juice, and then put the eggs back in the pickle juice bowl, so we're not wasting any dishes. Turkey is rinsed again because I did a very horrible job the first time. So now we're gonna cut it, dice it into little cubes. Let's try to get a little bit of that action here, and then we'll time jump to when they're all cubed. Once I get one cut for y'all. It is one of the thing. We're gonna hit time jump. Alright. They're diced. All nice and pretty in the pickle juice or pounder. Now, I don't even know what we do now. I guess,
we can make an egg wash on.
Yeah.
Let this sit for a minute.
Yeah. Let it soak for a second. Then we're gonna whip up an egg wash. Supposed to add milk to it. We forgot the milk. Oh well. Sucks to suck. This is our channel, not the recipes channel. So we're gonna do how we want. And then we'll just dry ingredient, wet, dry, fry. Egg wash time. So clear view of this. Cracking all 6 of these bad boys. Aww. That's right. Crack all 6 of these eggs in this bowl. And then give them a little mix. A little rough on that one. Well, this kind of botched the first catch can cook on the channel. I feel like it's a good one though, better than like fish or something. It beats good turkey technique, but I haven't fried turkey in a long time. All the turkeys we killed last year, we froze and lost them to freezer issues. So the first turkey we had in a while. Is this a secret? Huh? Oh, that might be the juice. I want to go and see what we're cooking up over here. And the whole pickle's in with the turkey. These are tiny eggs.
Honestly, got more sense.
Here's a little beaten. What's the more noises coming from this? Yeah, that'll do. Just a little trick, right, actually, since we're here. You got football bags? I don't know. If not, it's fine. We're doing both. Yeah, you put the flour, the dry ingredients in a bag, and they get coated real nice and evenly, and it's less crudiness.
I do have some big Tupperware containers though.
That might actually work too, because we just put a lid on them things and throw them around. Make sure you keep a clean workspace. Learned that from Gordon Ramsay. But let me get a little close up of the action we got going on here. What y'all think of that? That looks horrible, bro. It looks so gross. We got turkey cubes in pickle juice with pickles in the juice. Maybe it's the juice. You know? Yeah,
We can put them in for a cook on this.
Yeah. We're gonna get these suckers all. I guess we probably need to go ahead and heat up the oil and everything before we.
Yeah,
We'll probably mix them outside. Go ahead and make some dirty flour. I hate messing with flour. How much pepper is it?
Oh, I got some other ingredients too. I added some other stuff to it, or other spices.
Golly, son. That'll get you going right there. A little paprika. Probably just do this. I'm probably gonna regret this. Okay, yeah, that was a lot. See that? There you go. That's better. A little bit of salt in here.
Any cheese and sweet peas.
How about that?
Anything else?
Okay, let's.
Oh, we got Raging Cajun in there. Something maybe.
I don't know that I have. We do a lot of pepper.
Got some sliced llama.
That's
Got some stale cracker in here. Cajun juice stuff.
I beat it. I beat the sneeze.
Should we put a little bit in there?
Yeah, do some more Cajun steak. Little juice up, just a little spicy. Oh, get sugar in it too, so it's like a good sweet spicy.
I guess that'll be good enough.
Yeah, probably good. Oh, Louise, son. Alright, she's dirty. It's good to go. Alright, catch her outside. Update to our plan. The propane cooker leaks propane. It's not safe, so we're bringing her inside. Get the cast iron going, put her about 4. She'll get pretty toasty. This is the secret ingredient right here, the peanut oil. Adds your flavor. Gives us some trying to spill this everywhere. Yeah, go ahead and turn that on. Pretty high up.
little shallow fry, deep fry sort of action. Oh, that's another one. Should be good. Should be a good level. It's gonna rise a little bit. Fun fact for you. There you go. I've learned you something. Let's go back a little bit. There you go. Is that good for you? We got some Kraft Mac and Cheese Deluxe original cheddar to go along with it. We got some peas, some sweet peas. The good little meal we got going on. Guess I'm gonna start tossing these bad boys. So I'm gonna move y'all again to over here. We're gonna start doing a little bit of battering. Station. We got our alright. Turkey, eggs, flour. And get one out of here. Open the egg. Get a handful of trying to get a pickle, which I guess you fried pickle. That's it. Egg wash action. Sure it doesn't matter. Some riveting content. Okay, come on over. Try this. I might have to get in there pretty deep, but workout. Oh, rip. That will blow out. Peek, shall we? Oh, yeah. That's that gas bag. See what we're doing. Alright, oil is hot. Our test piece is doing pretty good. We got our battered turkey right here, little turkey nose. Adjust y'all a little bit so I can see what we're working with here. I'll start putting them in. Mac and cheese on the stove for 20 minutes, trying to get the water to boil. And we got the peas and peeing. Keep in mind, guys, we killed the turkey this morning. He is now going into hot oil. Not hot Earl. What's that guy's name?
White fish.
Yeah, Wade Fishes on TikTok. Flour's got to be together. You take it, will you? Oh, yeah. Hit soy sauce, bro. Be questionable. First batch in here. Yeah, looking real nice. we underestimated how much turkey we had. So we're almost done frying. That's the last bit, and then we'll be able to do taste test for y'all. So we're hoping it turns out good. We also got special guests. Ronaldo, you want to be on YouTube? Oh, look at cheese. The cheese. All right, it's done finally. We made a little too much turkey or chicken, but it's time for the taste test. That's Renly. Renly's our special guest. He's our taste tester.
Is it good? Thumbs up?
Look. Like that. You can really taste the big one.
Yeah.
Well, with that being said, we're going to shout out on this. We'll see y'all in the next one. Make sure you like and subscribe. Helps out a lot. Leave a comment. Do whatever you want. We got our Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram link in bio. So make sure you'll check that out. That's where we post on Facebook. We post a lot of like the behind the scenes stuff and like early access stuff. Or we'll post like our today I posted the pictures of me with the bird before I ever posted any videos or anything about it. So like y'all will see all that stuff beforehand, so y'all know what's kind of coming up. But that being said, catch y'all in the next one.